This MOOC is called Strategic Business Analytics. As you notice, we do not use the word data in our title. It's because all the questions we'll raise during this module will be driven by and for the business and be focused on strategic issues. Data is a means, neither an end nor even the beginning. Consequently, we'll mainly focus on the questions and solutions that data analytics can provide. We'll neither focus on how does data analytics tools work, nor even what are the data analytics tools, making a kind of list of all the existing techniques, but we'll instead cover different business issues that can be solved leveraging data, and will provide some useful tools that apply in this context. We'll then focus on how to present and articulate those results in a meaningful way. Too often, when dealing with data, we see it as a means to understand a situation better. And we stop there. It's actually not the end of it. The purpose of data analysis is to understand the problem we want to solve in order to define business actions. So the real focus of this course will be on how data could help to make actionable recommendations. Data is very often referred to as the new oil. We'll approach it as an asset which can be used to leverage value. You don't need to be an engineer to understand why oil is valuable or how it can be used to improve your business. Some people may be interested in the chemistry or physics of oil, but that's not really what business leaders focus on. In contrast, we want to focus on the managerial aspects of it. What are the tools we need to analyze the data? What does the output of those tools mean for business? And we'll leave the technical parts to other trainings, such as those specialized in R or in statistics. All the following videos will be articulated around this approach, as it is a course for managers and leaders that are interested to use data to make better decisions, but are not necessarily willing to develop their statistical or computer science skills. What is the business issue or data can solve? What are the relevant conclusions of our data analysis? How can we make those conclusions actionable to improve our business efficiency? You can approach this training as an introduction to analytics from a business perspective that will present you different applications and techniques. Techniques that you can then understand in details thanks to other trainings. Or if you're in the opposite situation, and if you already are a data scientist, statistician or the like, as a way to understand what are the business applications of analytics techniques and tools that you already know, but that you could never practice in a business context. Our program is not aiming at developing your data science skills, even if we expect you to be able to use some statistical and data analysis tools. We want to train you to become data-driven managers.